Hello, everyone. Today I'm here to talk about Mindvalley, which is like a fabulous teaching platform in terms of meditation. So I just wanted to kind of review their meditation styles and how that really offers um, different methodologies of meditation and how they kind of um, mention that meditation kind of brings in transformation. So Mindvalley calls meditation as one of the keys to transformation, right? And they're right. They're right. But I feel like they sometimes, they leave the actual science that explains how meditation works, like, and how like you can keep it simple without, too many long rituals or methods. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing that Mindvalley, what is it that Mindvalley gets right and what they sometimes miss, and how can you use the science of meditation to rewire your brain, which you can just start off today. So I am Pearl. I am a rapid transformational therapist and a hypnotherapist trained by Marisa Peer. I have actually seen meditation transforming lives, from reducing stress to building confidence to actually getting, what people want in their lives. And today, I'll simplify for you the science-based practices you can use right away and benefit from them. So, Mindvalley is absolutely right about this, that meditation changes your brain. Research shows that it strengthens your prefrontal cortex, improving your focus and your decision making. It also calms down your amygdala, which lowers your stress and your emotional reactivity. So you will not get like super angry, or you will not like get crazy happy. So it is just going to calm you down. And it even increases the gray matter in regions which are linked to your memory, increases your self-awareness and your compassion towards creatures. So yes, meditation is scientifically proven to reshape your mind, and that is exactly what Mindvalley also says. Now, when you think of meditation, you should perceive meditation as exercise for your brain, as in breath awareness, like cardio. It is like cardio for your focus. And body scan, like stretching for relaxation, or mantra repetition, like any affirmations and you're repeating them, that is strength training for discipline. So yes, you can connect your meditation with mental exercise, and just like physical fitness, consistency matters more than intensity. In physical fitness also, you need to be consistent, not like just like 5 days of doing nothing and 1 day of like increased like super high intensity exercise. That's not how it works. The same applies to your meditation as well, to your mental exercise as well. So even if it is 5 minutes of daily work, that is better than just 1 hour a week. So consistency in terms of meditation is equally important. It is equally important. And here is how I use it myself. So before filming like a YouTube video, I sit quietly for like 3 minutes. Then I focus on my breath. And I visualize myself like speaking with like a lot of clarity and a lot of calm. And that visualization, it resets my brain to speak the way I want to. And I'm not like overexcited and I'm not overstressed, because it reduces my nerves and it helps me to show up for you fully, instead of like nervousness, instead of like too much worry. I try to calm myself down before I get onto this YouTube video. And if you'd like to start today, I recommend a meditation app that I personally use, and that app is called Untold. Now, why I'm like super like mentioning this app all the time is because this app really gives you, like, whenever you're journaling in this app, whenever you're mentioning anything in this app, it gives you a psychological perspective towards your thinking, your mindset, and that is where you start to feel really motivated about journaling. And when you start like journaling every day, you start becoming consistent. And I definitely have a link of this app in my description, so just absolutely feel free to like journal and use this app, and like put your perspectives every single day. And when you use your perspectives, you put across, you meditate, you visualize every single day. By the way, in my previous video I did speak about like 5 rituals which you can perform every single day, which includes visualization, which includes journaling, like affirmation, and a nice stretching, and an action aligned with your visualization. So when you do these things, it automatically starts to fall in a consistent routine. And when it is a consistent routine, that is when you start you start seeing your results, because you're slowly and steadily but consistently rewiring your brain. And to make it easier, I've also created a morning ritual planner, which of course you can download for free. It's a daily page that helps you track your gratitude and meditation, your meditation and your affirmations and your intentions, which are aligned. So you can also find that link in the description. And Mindvalley is right. It is right when it says that meditation transforms your life. But that meditation does not have to be complicated. It has to be like very simple. It has to be small. It has to be something as small as expressing gratitude every single day. Something as small as visualizing your goal every single day, getting a feeling of your goal every single day, and then affirming yourself that yes, you are worthy of this goal. Yes, you are achieving this goal no matter what. And then stretching every single day to let those energies flow within yourself. And then on top of it, setting up your goal or your visualization with an intentional step every single day. That is how simple your meditation is. And I promise you start seeing results. So in short, meditation is right. It is effective. It does transform your lives. And that is very, 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 very true of Mindvalley to mention. At the same time, it has to be like super simple, something which you can follow consistently without making it very complicated and without taxing on your mind. So yeah, try the Untold app. Stay small, stay consistent, and let the science, let the universe do the rest for you. Try the Untold app. I'm going to put a link in my description, of course, and then of course grab the free morning ritual planner to build the practice that works for you. I also have a manifestation journal in which you can start with expressing gratitude. That's also free of cost. Just feel free to every day try and embed this consistency in yourself. And before you go, just comment below what type of meditation are you really curious about. I'd love to hear your journey. I'd love to hear about what is it that you're offering. And don't forget to subscribe. Just hit a like and hit the bell icon for more videos. It's very encouraging for me, and I will definitely personally look into all of the videos that you show, that you offer, and all of the comments that you offer, and I'm definitely going to look into them. Thank you so much. Just manifest beauty. We are all in this together. Bye bye.